Hi everyone, welcome to Masumi Academy. Learning today, leading tomorrow. We're back with another exciting lesson on daily English sentences with animation. Let's get started.
I sweep the floor every day. I sweep the floor every day.
I mop the kitchen floor. I mop the kitchen floor.
I wipe the table with a cloth. I wipe the table with a cloth.
I put the clothes in the washing machine. I put the clothes in the washing machine.
I vacuum the carpet in the bedroom. I vacuum the carpet in the bedroom.
I clean the bathroom sink. I clean the bathroom sink.
I dust the shelves in the living room. I dust the shelves in the living room.
I take out the garbage. I take out the garbage.
I dry the dishes after washing them. I dry the dishes after washing them.
The house is clean and tidy now. The house is clean and tidy now.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.